Hi everybody, it's Janet and welcome to my channel. Today is a big day because it is the Creative Escape Papercrafting Fully Loaded Kit for August reveal. And there is a ton of things to show you in this kit. As usual, these are really fully loaded with all kinds of goodies, and this one is no exception. So let's start taking a look at what's inside of it. I've unpacked it all and put it on my desk, and you can see it's a huge pile of goodies here. So we'll start going from the top to the bottom. And the first thing we're going to look at is the Lawn Fawn Chili Pepper full-sized ink pad. Now we all know that when we get a kit we usually get cubes, not full-size ink pads, so this is fantastic and the color is wonderful. And this will be good for this month, and hey, I can see Christmas projects and all kinds of stuff with that. Next, let's take a look at the ephemera package. This is a Jen Hadfield collection, and the paper and the ephemera are of the same collection, and it's called It's a Bright Life, I believe. There's 40 pieces in this. The top little envelope in the ephemera package are all pieces with gold foiling on them. So we have a good number of pretty gold foiled pieces. There's tag, there's floral and fauna, a couple of these beautiful butterflies, and again some more floral and fauna, this really cute backpack, and this glass domed embellishment here. Then inside the other package we've got a lot more pieces. They don't have gold foiling, but they are gorgeous. So you saw that heart, some more flora, cute bicycle, more flora. There's some teacups and some tea, which is a feature of this set. And then some bowls, which is also a feature. The congrats and thinking of you. Pretty fresh looking lemon, and just some nice sentiment pieces. You see there's some wood grain as well as plain, more plain images. So it's nice to have that. There's some more fruit, some more tags, more flora and fauna. Kind of a kitchen image there too. Then we have, you know, the camera and this embroidery hoop images that keep coming up over and over again. That's definitely a theme, again, as well as the kitchen type theme. And then we've even got some record items in here, like this last one. So lots of variety. Now I forgot these were the larger pieces that have the gold foiling in it. Really pretty and great for focal points on the card front. All right, let's look at what else. We've got some 5mm and 3mm gold self-adhesive gemstones, which are going to be pretty to work with. We have 3 baker's twines. There's black and white, yellow and white, and navy and white, and these are all 1.5 yards, plus the pink ribbon, which is also 1.5 yards. Then we have this beautiful blue, dark blue, and light blue double-sided ribbons, and that is 1 yard a piece. There are some unique pieces to this kit, like this Vicki Boutin watercolor crayon. This can be used for stamping, for watercoloring, for all kinds of fun stuff. And then this is also Vicki Boutin. It is a iridescent glaze. Jen from Platinum Peacock did a little demo on how to use the glaze and the crayon, and we'll show you some of that too in my 10 cards video. This is another Vicki Boutin piece. It's pretty exciting because it's these very large stamps. It's a big stamp set, and we've got the butterflies, we've got sentiments, we've got stackable flowers, and then on top of that it has some dies to go with it. So this is amazing to me that this again could be put in the kit for the price point that it is at. And just so you can get a kind of an idea of size, across the flower here it's about 2.5 inches. Same with the bird image here, and then 1 3/4 for these larger butterflies and flowers, and then you've got the sentiments on top of that. Okay, so let's take a look at the papers and cardstocks. We've got some half sheets here in the medium pink. We've also got charcoal and black. I also happen to have this kind of gray. Not sure if that was a mistake or she threw it in there because that isn't on our product list. So not sure you will get that. I just want to point that out. Then we have the subscriber gift. It's a 5x7 pre-cut and scored watercolor card, and it has an envelope with it. And then we also have a 5.5 by 4.25 blank white card base as well. Then we have several sheets of 8.5 by 11. So we've got 3 white 8.5 by 11 cardstock, a craft cardstock, and a light blue cardstock. So altogether that makes 6 different colors of cardstock to work with. That is pretty amazing. This is the 12 by 12 cut apart sheet, and there are 12 images. They are really cute. And on the back you have the black and white cardstock if you prefer to use it that way. Now let's take a look at the smaller pages. These are 6 by 6. There's 18 of them. They're from the Jen Hadfeld collection, My Bright Life Again. And many of these have gold foiling on them, and we've got colors of blues, greens, pink, yellow. Then there's some earth tones in the browns and the grays, as well as some neutral colors as well. And these cut aparts are 2 by 2, so perfectly square. They're going to be great on tags or on card fronts with multiple images. And then we have so many sheets of really just pretty background papers that will coordinate so nicely with the ephemera and with the stamp set. Here's another cut apart page, potentially with tags and sentiments. I have a feeling we'll get a lot of use out of those. And again, more gold foiling, just gorgeous, and some more cut aparts. These are like a 1 3/4 by 2 3/4, or close to 2 by 3. So there you have it. It's the entire kit for August, and again, full of Jen Hadfield and Vicki Boutin items. Now this is an extra. This is a Studio Katia sequin collection that I received as a freebie as one of the design team members. Very grateful for that, and it's going to work so nicely with all these pages, and I'm sure you can get that in the store if you're interested in it. All right, well, again, here are all the many pieces of the kit. I hope that you will go place your order for this if you're not already subscribed. I know it's going to sell up fast, so don't miss out. You are definitely going to be happy with this kit. I will show you in another week or so my 10 cards, and I'll try to do a few other items for you as well, because there is so much here to work with. I cannot wait to get started. Well, that's all for me today. I hope to see you soon, but until then, keep crafting. Bye!